Set properties is a tool for quickly and easily entering metadata to your models. The set properties can be found in the Excitech dialog box. I shall select set properties, and as you can see here, the dialog box loads and the properties that you're interested in are instantly shown with drop down lists and such like. I can add a title to this. And that will now be saved back to my properties. I can check this because if I now go to my properties, I can check and there's a title there. Similarly, if I edit it here, select my set properties, it updates. The dialog box can be different depending on what type of file you have. So I will now open up a drawing, select set properties, and you can see here there's a different set of properties that can be entered just for the drawing. So I'll have the drawing number, click OK, and the drawing number will be updated here. Other things it can do is on a brand new part. So this is a brand new part that's never been saved. When I press save, the dialog box can load. I can now enter a description and a part number. You'll notice here this little triangle. This is indicating it's a mandatory field. You have to add a revision. So mandatory fields can be added to any of the properties. Click OK. And there we go. Now the save as dialog box loads up. Should you want to change any of it, you can still go back to the set properties, select, and you can change them as you feel fit.